What we have here today is a power plug attenuator. It's made by Recycled Sound. It's a 6 to 12 dB attenuator. It's made for a 8 ohm load, meaning an 8 ohm speaker. It's a 100 watt max. I would feel comfortable running it up to about a 60 watt amplifier. Very simple. Comes from the amp output into the box on the input, then to the output of the box to your speaker. Has two switches, one for 6, one for 12. And we'll go through and show you what happens. Right now there's zero attenuation. I'm going to drop it down to 6 dB now. We'll take a full 12 dB off of it now. Zero attenuation. There it is, the power plug made by Recycled Sound. It drops to 6 to 12 dB off of any of your sound. It's for an 8 ohm load, 100 watt max. Asking price is $60. Please feel free to message me with any questions. Thank you.